a breathtaking front-facing home merging design with nature. Warm wooden furniture fills open kitchen, dining, and family spaces that flow onto a sunlit terrace. The garden features small pebble flooring, while a stepping-stone path, lined with tiny rocks, leads to a glistening river. Massive moss-draped boulders anchor the grounds. A vertical garden with aged branches adds charm, and majestic mountains rise in the distance. A vertical garden with aged branches brings the outdoors in beautifully. This exceptional residence honors the earth from its welcoming facade. Rich wooden furniture complements bright kitchen, dining, and family areas opening to an expansive terrace. The garden showcases small pebble flooring, while a rustic path, fringed with tiny rocks, winds toward calm water. Moss-cloaked boulders add character. A vertical garden brings texture, and towering mountains frame the scene. An idyllic front-facing retreat in perfect sync with surroundings. Natural wooden furniture warms kitchen, dining, and family spaces connecting to a spacious terrace. The garden's ground is paved with small pebbles, while a meandering path, bordered by tiny rocks, leads to a peaceful lake. Mossy boulders add beauty, a vertical garden is artful, and mountains rise in splendor. This stunning residence embodies nature integration. Warm wooden furniture fills open kitchen, dining, and family spaces connecting to a sunlit terrace. The garden's floor has small pebbles, while a charming path, fringed with tiny rocks, guides to a glistening river. Massive boulders add character. A vertical garden brings beauty, and towering mountains provide a grand backdrop.